Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my wellness and my meal planner. We're going to go ahead and start with my wellness planner this time. So it is for the week of May 16th through the 22nd. It is such a beautiful layout. I've been really enjoying using it. So here is to the third week in this layout for me. I am going to be using the Live Love Posh Hello Spring sticker book, and if you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you have been here before, I wanted to say thank you for joining me and thank you for choosing to spend time with me again. So I actually changed my mind and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Happy Illustrations and Live Creatively. I don't think I have ever used the book called Live Creatively, so this will be a new thing for me. I want to make this spread very spring-like and very happy. I track many fun things in this planner, so that's actually a lot of fun to do for me. And I think I want this spread to be kind of loud and bright and so on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just trying to pick some stickers to start with. It's always the hardest to pick the first sticker, but once you do, everything kind of flows. So let's go ahead. So this doesn't fit very well in here and I love this, so I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it, put it back in my planner for now and go from there. So I'm going to start with this kettle or watering can actually with flowers. I'm going to put a smaller one as well. There we go. I still want to put that grow sign down, but I don't know where. So let's take a look. I'm going to add these little houses which have blue in them. It's going to make the spread really stand out. I'm going to add another one of those little villages on the other side. There we go. Really pretty. Okay, so now Live Creatively, that book is so colorful. I'm gonna go ahead and add that long strip into it and bring colors like purple and teal and greens. And like I said, I promised a very bright spread, so it's going to be a very bright spread. I'm not kidding. Okay, I think these kind of underlined little sayings are really cool. So I'm gonna spread them and kind of trinkle them down in my planner. So let's go ahead and get to it. So underneath the prompts, I'm going to go ahead and add all of these little additional prompts. Dream big, creating, creative spark. Now we're gonna add creating. Now we're going to add inspired by. So all of these are kind of fun to be able to play with. Like I said, very different for me. And then another inspired by with purple, creating. And I need one more. What color should I do? Maybe yellow? Yeah, I think that looks good, bringing that in. And now I'm looking for some boxes to include in the spread. I think those are always fun to be able to add into the spread. especially by giving it color. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these stickers that have 3 sections. So it's pretty perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let me go ahead and add the 2 yellow ones that I found in this lovely sticker book, and then I'll go ahead and keep going. Okay, this is super tricky. I can't seem to put it down straight. This happens to me way more often than I'm willing to admit, but you know, I can blame it on, I don't know, vision problems. Oh my lord. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a teal box as well, and that's for same purpose. So let's go ahead and add all of these lovely things into it. I need another one with 3 sections. If it's not the same, then very, very similar. Okay, look at that blue one. And there's another yellow one, but I'm not using that. So let's see, maybe pink. Okay. I'm gonna add pink that says 1, 2, 3, but it's basically the same box. And then teal, purple. Yellow and purple are such a big contrast. They always look so interesting to me when I put them together. A red one and a green one. And I think box wise that is pretty good. I'm gonna add other stuff to this. But probably not too much, so let's keep going. I love these little page flags. I think they are so cute, and I can go ahead and add them each and every day. And I'm kind of doing them at random color. This is not a rainbow spread or anything like that, so I know that for some of you that might not make sense, but I just like spreading a little bit of color around. Maybe I can do something similar in that movement section. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these and pretty much a rainbow scheme, which will be fun for me. Okay, let's put that back and bring another color and hot pink. Good, so I think this looks fantastic. And I'm going to leave it be. It's extremely functional as I need it, and I think it's pretty great. So let's move on to the meal planner section for me. So both of these planners, in case you're wondering, live in my little wellness section. So I have 2 planners in one section under wellness, but I am more than happy with that. Like I said before, whatever helps me stay put together is fantastic. So this now separates our food and planning and intake into an actual meal planner and wellness, which I couldn't be more grateful for. Okay, so this one, same week, so we're looking at May 16th through the 22nd, and I am going to be using the Hello Spring from Live Love Posh. I think that that is such a fun sticker book with so many possibilities that I couldn't help myself. And look at these are so beautiful. It's such a beautiful soft spread that I really like. Okay, and let's add that guitar really quick. So this should be a fairly quick plan with me in this planner. And then I'm going to go ahead and meal plan with you guys. I love doing those. It gives me a clarity of what I need to do in a week, especially when I come after a long day of work. This definitely helps. So I'm gonna add some flowers, because what is a spread without flowers? At least for me, it's super difficult to decorate with other items, which I don't have a problem decorating with other items. It's just such a preference. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stickers. I can't get enough. So sometimes I will play kind of like up here, where I will put a sticker down and then reverse the other one and have them meet. But thankfully I don't do it too often. So let's go ahead and add another light bulb right there. Okay. Few more elements, because I truly love having all of these little stickers in my planner. So we have this beautiful moon. I think I'm gonna add these kind of fun little motifs of perfume and lipstick and so on. So let's go ahead and add those. And of course more greenery, because this wouldn't be my spread if I didn't use greenery. Okay, where can I put this lipstick? Right there, I think is good. So let's go ahead and do that. And now let's meal plan. So for breakfast, I usually have smoothies or a sandwich. So like a quick breakfast sandwich or a toast. That's what I do. So I'm just gonna write all of my ideas. So Monday through Thursday, sometimes even Friday, that's what I eat. And then for lunch, it's very similar as well, where I just repeat the same thing. So on Saturday we'll be doing brunch, and then we will be out for a bridal shower, so that's where that's going to come. And then my lunches are usually either leftovers, or I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the camera, either leftovers or usually a power bowl, those frozen power bowls with like rice cauliflower. I really do enjoy those, so I will bring them to work, and they're super low calories, surprisingly. So they're around 200 to like 250. So for lunch, that's not a lot at all, which I'm very grateful. So I will be doing those leftovers or power bowls, and then I usually take and sit down and plan my actual dinners a little bit more. So now dinner time. On Monday we're gonna have grilled chicken, and then pesto chicken. I might be swapping those depending on weather, if it's raining or not. And then a few more and I will be done. A lot of times when I run out of ideas, I made this sheet for myself. I make one every single month where I come up with meal ideas and I keep them in my planner. Usually I give a copy to Alec as well, and it's kind of fun to be able to keep those. So we'll have Fisher burgers on Friday, some kebabs on Thursday. I think that's pretty good. I also list snacks in my section, so I have different sections, and I really like writing all of these ideas down, because when you're thinking about meals last minute, those don't exist. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some snacks, so when I'm hungry and I glance at my planner, I have actual healthy options. So I have fruit, hummus and veggies, guac and chips, cucumber bites, I like those a lot, orange slices, and nuts. Those are my snacks. And I like writing those out, so then I have all of these ideas without really guessing. But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for spending time with me. Have a great week. Bye!